Here, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NTEK. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Been a while since I've done the last update on this one, but definitely deserves another update. Been getting all sorts of requests on it, but at the end of the day, the chart has been putting in higher highs and higher lows, and that is the name of the game. So really not too many updates, just because the chart is basically in blue sky breakout territory. There's one minor resistance, and that's simply the high of today. But besides that, we are officially and have been in blue sky breakout territory for a while. So these lines you see down here were just from previous videos I did. If you want to go back and see exactly where these come from, you can just go back in the video archives. But the couple things I want to point out is just this candle here, because this candle, even though it is just one day, gives us quite a bit of information from the technical perspective. The first being, like I said, the only level of resistance that the chart's really telling us right now, and that's up there at 14 cents. Simply the location where the profit takers decided to come in and unload some shares and lock in those profits. No big deal. That's part of the game. Can't make money unless you sell. And then the other big thing that this gives us was a look into where potential support might start to form, which was the low of today, where people decided, hey, that's a good price, I want to come back in, and that level was at, we'll just call it 11 cents. So 11 cents was the support form today, and then 14 cents was that level of resistance. Now, if this level doesn't hold as support, then the big one, and the level that seems like a very stubborn level of support, which is a good thing, is right here at, we'll call it 0.083. You can see basically 3 days in a row was getting knocked down as resistance, but then when the price did get above it last week, right here, you can see the results of that. The price just absolutely skyrocketed. So because this was such a stubborn level of resistance, we can now assume that it's going to be a stubborn level of support. So I'll make that line extra thick, because it is pretty important. And who knows, maybe this level won't even get tested, but if it does, this is a pretty important one, and one that should present some good strong buying if the price gets down there, and again, if the price gets down there. But even if it does, this chart has shown the health of consolidation many times before. There is consolidation, there is a consolidation, another consolidation, and even right here a consolidation. So hopefully nobody freaks out over a couple of red days, because this chart's been through it before, and as long as supports hold, then they are healthy consolidations, and that's what we want to see. So that is pretty much where the chart stands. Like I said, can't really talk too much about it when the chart's basically up in blue sky breakout territory. Keep your eye on these couple levels of support, and with another break of 14, it's just straight up into blue sky breakout territory again. So you got to use those gut instincts. If there are any other questions on the chart, though, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there, which is free. When you do that, you will receive an ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click down here and look at our video course, over 8.5 hours of education and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education and check it out. One more time, this was NTEK. Thanks for listening.